Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how to transform your computer screen into a digital photo album to display your vacations, your family photos, or just neat photos you want to have just automatically rotate. So in order to do this, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to right click on our desktop and go ahead and go to personalize. And then from here, just type in screensaver on the find a setting. Once you're in there, go ahead and click on change screensaver. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to change screensaver, change from none to photos. Then what we're going to want to do is go to settings. And we're going to want to click on sample photos. We're going to want to click on browse and select our photo album we want to use. So I'm going to use my sample photos here. And then I do recommend you can change the speed if you want to go fast, slow, or medium. I'm going to go ahead and select fast for this preview. And then what I would also recommend doing is clicking on shuffle pictures. This way, whenever your screensaver starts up, it doesn't start from the beginning and you see the exact same photos over and over again, especially if you have a ton of them. Once you've done that, go ahead and click save. And then the wait time, I would recommend doing it for about after 10 minutes to have it activate. You can also have it automatically require a login, activate the login screen whenever you wiggle the mouse. Otherwise, you can disable that. And then if you want to preview it, you can just go ahead and hit preview. And here you go. This is what it's going to kind of look like. And then it's just going to automatically rotate through your photos of your trip and everything you've gone to. So once you validate, you can hit apply, click OK, and you can go ahead and exit out of that. And now you've just transformed your computer screen into a digital photo album. So if you were thinking about getting one of those photo frames where you can have the photos on there, well, this might be even better, especially having a much bigger screen. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe. Doesn't require any cost or additional cost or anything. It's totally free. And then click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.